Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off beep sounds or system sounds or remote key press sounds. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to device preferences. Under device preferences, just select sound. Here we can see system sounds. By default, system sounds would be enabled. So we have to disable it. Let me disable it. Just press OK button on the remote. Done. See, now I have disabled system sounds. So now it won't produce sound when we press remote keys. So this way we can disable or turn off beep sounds or system sounds or remote key press sounds. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it. If you want to enable, again go to settings, then device preferences, sounds, then we can enable here. See. Okay, so please check it.